Hi everyone, it's Evelyn again, and today we're going to go see some 4th of July fireworks. So I'll see you when we're there. The fireworks were really spectacular and beautiful. But then we saw some fireworks explode really low to the ground, and the show suddenly stopped. My dad said something must have gone wrong. When we were leaving, we saw the whole field was on fire where they were launching the fireworks. It was really scary and sad to see. We hope everyone is all right and that the firefighters can put it all out quickly.
Big fire. Oh my god!
The whole field is on fire. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The police officers are coming.
Stay safe, everyone.